So, in conclusion, with the proper education on how to prevent the asthma, reduce it, and manage the effects of it, there are many health benefits, as well as physiological benefits that can be gained from participating in physical activity by individuals with or without asthma. Also, aerobic training reverses airway remodeling because it decreases the inflammation, muscle mass in the airways, it reduces the leukocyte migration to the airways, and it increases the Th1 response. It is time dependent, which means the longer the training sessions, the higher the health benefits. So if you only exercise once a week or for like 3 months versus exercising 4 times a week for a year or longer, obviously the person exercising for a year or longer more often is going to see more health benefits. Avoid exercising in extreme conditions, such as extremely hot and humid environments. Always make sure to consult with a physician before you start training, whether you have asthma or not. And overall, benefits of exercise outweigh the risks, and they can help a patient manage their disease while living a healthy life.